In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the effects that are possible with the Dojo Toolkit. Now here we're at dojocampus.org, which has a lot of great information, including something called the Dojo Explorer. So I'm going to go to the Dojo Explorer here. And this is the Dojo Feature Explorer. As you can see, we have the ability to take a look at Dojo Base, Digit, and DojoX. So here we have something called FX, and this is going to give us a nice sample of the different animations we can do. Notice we have Animate Property. Animate Property has a number of different things that we can do, such as changing black to white, white to black, text embiggen, text unbiggen, widen, narrow. We also have the ability to pause and resume our animations as they cycle through them. Now we have HTML here, so it's going to show us how the animate property was actually done. So here you're seeing dojo.animateProperty, and inside of our animate property we have a configuration block of options. And the first option there is the node, so this is talking about what DOM element is being targeted, how long is it going to be animated, and what properties are going to be changed. So here we have the property with the start and end values. We also have some examples over here, fade, so I can fade out, fade in, fade out, then in. So if you take a look at the HTML, we'll see that to fade something out, it's as simple as saying fade out, tell it what node it is, and how long to make that animation last. Fade in is as simple as making it fade in. We also have some other animations, such as wipe, wipe out, wipe in, and let's actually just take a look at that HTML, and you'll see that we're actually using the dojo.fx. .wipeout. Notice that we have this dojo.require here, and that's going to make it possible for us to use this effect. We also have slide effects, as well as combining effects. Now this is going to combine fading, wiping, and sliding. And if I take a look at the HTML here, I see that it creates these different effects. So I see fade out, I see wipe out, and I see slide to where it's sliding to the left. Down here is the fx.combine that takes those and combines them all together and sets them up to be executed at essentially the same time. We also have drag and drop capabilities here, so we can take a look at lists. We can drag and drop our list items here. Now those are just some of the things that we can do with Dojo Base. Now if I take a look at DojoX, we're going to see a bit more that's available, such as the things from image. This is going to include galleries, lightboxes, and slideshows. So I'm just going to go to the lightbox here and do a single lightbox, and if I just click on that link, it shows me this image. So that's the lightbox. So that's a pretty nice little effect. Now, Dojo Campus is a great place to come to check out stuff and just to get a good feel as to how some of this stuff functions. Now, of course, if you are interested, you can find out more about these different effects by taking a look at the API documentation that's available at the dojotoolkit.org. And that concludes our examination of the effects available to us in the Dojo Toolkit.